Upload files allows you to upload public or private files. To upload files, click on Upload Files. Choose the category you would like to upload the file to. Choose if there is a member whom you would like to upload this file to by choosing the member from the Member File box. Choose whether the file will be private or public. Choose to notify the person you chose about the file upload. Choose the file from your computer by clicking Choose File. When finished, click on Upload. To return to the BannerFile dashboard, click on BannerFile Home.